Hello everyone, it's Tufik from TechSecurityUSA, located in Seattle, Washington. Welcome back to another unboxing video of our UniView security camera series. Today we have ourselves a UniView Triguard dome camera, and this is the model number IPC3614SB-ADF, and this contains a 4 megapixel lens with 2.8 millimeters of render distance. Taking a look at the packaging over here, we can see it has the following features. It has active deterrence, smart intrusion prevention, color hunter, 120 decibels of WDR audio, built-in SD card slot, and a built-in mic and speaker. And if we flip over the box here, we can see it contains the main features of the Triguard series, which is active deterrence, color hunter, and smart intrusion prevention. Opening up the packaging over here, we get the following. We get our quick start guide, drill template, flip open the box, waterproof joints, screws and mounting joints, hex wrench, and the camera itself. Let's pull it out of its plastic packaging. How simple was that, guys? Wow. As we take a look over here at the dome camera, we are faced with the 4 megapixel lens, along with the 2 IR lights and the color hunter feature built within those IR lights for the Triguard camera. And as you see here, this can move 180 degrees in order to detect an intruder. Back here is the audio interface. The built-in mic and the built-in speakers are within the camera. And on top here, you can insert a micro SD card and also configure your UniView security camera settings. If you have any questions about this IP camera in terms of specifications or pricing, feel free to give us a call at 206-787-0224 or visit us at our website at www.techsecurityusa.com. I'm Tufik, and I'm signing off.